Welcome to this video on Illuminating the Unseen, the diagnostic lens of serology. We will explore how serology precisely detects the body's immune response. Immunology is the macro view, focusing on the entire immune system. Serology is the micro view, zeroing in on the targeted detection of antibodies, antigens, and specific immune markers, typically in blood serum. At the core of serology is the binding event between the antibody and the foreign invader, or antigen. Primary tests detect their presence, while secondary assays confirm the exact type and concentration of these complexes. The seroconversion curve shows the IgM curve's immediate first response and the highly specific long-term IgG curve. The window period is critical, where antigens and antibodies match in concentration and are often undetectable. Serology employs various techniques. ELISA uses enzyme-coated plates, agglutination visualizes particle clumping, and immunofluorescence, or IFA, utilizes fluorescent dyes. Western blot isolates proteins, and RIA measures concentration with competitive binding. Pillar 1 is autoimmunity, often starting with the anti-nuclear antibody, or ANA, screen. While a dilution ratio greater than 140 is technically positive, 1 to 80 is the clinical threshold for investigating autoimmune disease. If the ANA screen is positive, the ANA reflex algorithm determines the specific autoimmune condition. It cascades through 3 tiers, testing for increasingly specialized markers to pinpoint the diagnosis. Serology results, like a positive ANA IFA titer and specific antibody detection, translate serum data into a clinical diagnosis. This helps distinguish conditions like systemic lupus, erythematosus, Sjogren's syndrome, and autoimmune hepatitis. Pillar 2 focuses on tracking viral invaders like HIV and SARS-CoV-2. Advancements, such as 4th-generation HIV assays, detect both antigens and antibodies, significantly shortening the window period. COVID-19 assays target both spike and nucleoprotein antibodies. The hepatitis B timeline matrix outlines 4 stages of infection and immunity, detecting specific markers like HB's AG and anti-HBC IgM. Allows for differentiation between acute, window, chronic, and immune stages. Pillar 3 is the science of the scene, focusing on forensic serology. It begins with highly sensitive presumptive testing, followed by confirmatory testing designed for absolute specificity, typically requiring laboratory microscopy. The forensic fluid assay matrix shows both presumptive and confirmatory tests for common biological fluids. For example, the Kastle-Meyer test is presumptive for blood, and the acid phosphatase test is presumptive for semen. A limitation of traditional confirmatory forensic assays is that they often consume precious sample material. The genetic frontier of microRNA, small non-coding RNA fragments, offers a solution, providing robust, co-extractable cellular markers. Serology provides infinite insights from one drop. It decodes the ANA cascade for clinical autoimmunity, tracks IgM and IgG to map infectious disease epidemiology, and utilizes biomarkers to reconstruct physical events for forensic justice. The diagnostic interface is evolving. Point-of-care testing drastically reduces time to diagnoses, and automated systems are transforming complex algorithms into high-throughput data streams. As long as the immune system remembers, serology will extract the data. The unseen is now illuminated.